Respected audience, today I feel blessed to share a thought that reminds us of the rare fortune we hold, the fortune of being born in India, the land of saints, sages, and divine incarnations. Durlabham Bharate Janma. To be born in India is indeed a rare fortune. To be constantly devoted to the work of the divine, to live a life of righteousness and purposeful action, such a blessed and dynamic audience sits before me today. In this sacred land, the Lord Himself has taken incarnations for the upliftment of humanity. Here, divine experiments were undertaken that became guiding lights for the entire world. One may ask, why did these incarnations and revelations happen here in India and not elsewhere? But such a question holds little weight, for such inquiries have no end. Every endeavor must begin somewhere. For instance, if one starts naming the directions, someone might ask, why begin with the east and not any other? There is no definitive answer to this except that one must start from a point. In the same way, the incarnations of the divine in this land were intended to gift humanity a unique vision. They revealed the stairways of human development, a path by which the individual and society may become purified, evolve, and ultimately belong to the Lord. The pursuit of personal development must be such that a person becomes purer each day, gradually freed from desires and attachments, and ultimately merges into the transcendental supreme power. Among the many approaches taken to achieve this goal, bhakti or devotion has been accorded a most significant place. But if devotion is not grounded in scriptural understanding, it cannot truly aid in evolution. Devotion that reduces itself merely to begging or pleading cannot be called true devotion. Of course, when life brings difficulties and one turns to the higher power in prayer, there is nothing wrong in that. Where human strength fails, there asking is not weakness, it is divinity itself. But today, many practice devotion not out of surrender or purity, but to accumulate even more despite already having enough. Such devotion does not serve the higher purpose of human development.